If your Epic Games Launcher downloads are crawling, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you the fastest ways to fix slow download speed and get back to downloading games normally. These steps are simple, safe, and work great whether the launcher is stuck, lagging, or just not using your full internet speed. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is close the Epic Games Launcher completely and then reopen it. Sometimes the app just needs a fresh restart to reconnect properly and clear temporary issues. If that doesn't help, go ahead and restart your PC. A full system restart can clear background glitches and refresh your network connection at the same time. Next, check your internet connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, make sure your signal is strong and stable. If possible, switch to Ethernet for a more reliable connection. Slow or unstable Wi-Fi is one of the most common reasons Epic Games downloads slow down, especially when your connection keeps dropping or fluctuating. After that, try pausing the download and then resuming it. This sounds simple, but it can often kick the launcher into reconnecting at a better speed. It refreshes the download session and can sometimes fix temporary throttling or a stalled transfer. If you notice the speed still isn't improving, keep going through the next steps. Now check for other apps or devices using your internet. Things like Chrome, YouTube, cloud backups, streaming services, or even other game downloads can use a lot of bandwidth in the background. Close any apps that are pulling data from the internet so the Epic Games Launcher has more bandwidth available. If other people in your home are streaming or downloading, that can also affect your speed. Another important step is to disable any VPN you might be using. VPNs can reduce download speed because they route your traffic through another server before reaching Epic Games. If your VPN is on, turn it off and test the download again. In many cases, that alone can make a huge difference. You should also make sure the Epic Games Launcher itself is up to date. An outdated launcher can sometimes cause speed issues or connection problems. Open the launcher and check for any updates or restart it and let it update automatically if needed. Keeping the app updated helps make sure you're using the latest performance fixes and network improvements. If you've gone through all of those steps and the download is still slow, try running the launcher again after a fresh restart and test your speed one more time. In most cases, restarting the launcher, using a stable connection, pausing and resuming, closing bandwidth-heavy apps, disabling VPN, and updating Epic Games Launcher will fix the problem. And that's it! Those are the easiest ways to fix slow download speed on Epic Games Launcher. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple gaming and PC fix videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.